Twats. That was dickhead. I'm just looking at me juice water. Anyway, we're recording. We're live.
To be fair, the show's live.
What am I doing?
Oh, that's actually
a little bit. Yeah. It's like sparkling in the fucking
I've
sky.
got a mission, babe.
But hello, darling.
5 stone and meet Dr. Z.
Who knows?
Go meet Dr. Z.
What's building 3?
And literally you just gotta walk around.
He's busy.
Get attacked, so.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna get attacked.
No, you won't. Not in this area.
Are you ready?
Oh,
we're recording.
you just fucking dropped it on my foot.
So here's building 3.
That's what. No, that's not what that's not what she said. That's not what she said.
My Hulkamania earlier. 2 t-shirts.
Stripping the fucking shit out of
2
them.
fucking t-shirts for no reason. Man, shit.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Man,
This is the third, technically.
I'm in!
This is Dr. Z.
I'm in with that freak.
We're recording third night.
Alright.
So, I'm Uno Dos Tres motherfucking cunt.
Well, that's my job.
Actually, Gloucester and then
That's
you're
my
moving back
roster
home.
and
So.
the background, so you know.
Okay,
Cunt face twat bollocks. Oh! I can't even do that from a fucking can. I prefer it from a fucking glass.
Oops.
A big glass.
That was up there with rum. Not rum, bourbon.
And I was down and we were like, fuck.
What do I do now?
Anyway, we're recording.
Just talk to him, maybe. Sorry, I'm going between like again everything here.
Let's. You can see the wonderful woman over there.
She's telling us to fuck off right now, so.
Yeah. We'll face the camera the other way quickly.
No, mate, I've got to kill some bags. Shit. Outside the firestone, just past the gate and across the road, we find several snags and skaggers with the corner.
Fucking
Jesus,
bollocks!
me on shit. And I'll eat anything, including you, and I know if you can handle this on the fight.
He fell on the fucking.
Babe,
Ow! Oh my bollocks!
stop being a pussy, Bill. Like, come on.
Oh my bollocks! Woo!
Can I collect stuff from this bit?
Fuck!
Yes.
What she said? Get out, you old folk! Ow! Fuck!
I'll kick you both on that. Trust me, it won't be as fun.
Oh.
Well, that's twice in the bollocks, so I don't know if I can take any fucking more. My working arm's dead already. He's over the fucking place.
fucking lost my ads. Fuck it.
2 for flinching, motherfucker, come on!
Do you know what the worst thing is? When you meant to fit in my left my arm.
Ow! Oh, my balls. Ah! Fucking good bollocks shit. Shit.
Just fucking get on with it.
Oh shit. That's what I did on the first fucking long video.
That was fucking shit.
That was. Ah! Fucking bollocks! Ah! Fuck!
Genuinely letting the side down now, man.
Ah! Fuck!
Oi.
Bro. Down.
Right, how do I get to the scrags, babe? Where do I go?
Oh, I just realised.
Flinch.
I just realised what you're wearing.
Oh yeah.
That's why that's fucking hurting.
Babe, how do I get to the
Right, okay, hang on.
Hold on.
We'll start recording.
See where the green diamond expression.
Everything's
Time
flashing.
carrying a pet in a penny.
Let me just show you something
Tell
on.
me where it is.
Let me just show you something on the remote. Right. Where the green flash.
Well, we're waiting for him.
Oh,
Don't know what
there.
for, but we're waiting for fucking him.
You got to literally follow him
BullDozer.
around. Okay. Good. When you need help, you go to Z.
Bollocks! Oh shit. As
I
always.
still mute this one.
Oh shit.
Oh, the mama.
He still didn't ever get slaps. Oh, cunt face.
Twat.
Slag bollocks of a chimpanzee. Stop.
Okay, I'll stop that one.